Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but we are back with new content. This time it's gonna be a motorcycle build. Me and my dad bought a BMW K1100LT. We want to turn it into a scrambler build, so I hope you're gonna enjoy it. First episode, so let's disassemble it and prepare it. I don't think I have to introduce you to the K-Bike series. Amazing, reliable adventure motorcycles. Even this one, over 30 years old, everything works perfectly. But today we're gonna start a new chapter for this bike. We're gonna take it apart, clean every piece and get it ready to hit the road again. Of course with some modifications to make it into a scrambler. So no time to waste. Let's get the pressure washer going and we'll see how it looks after cleaning. Much better already. Now we can see the true color of it and we'll let it dry and start to disassemble. Unfortunately, it started raining, so we had to move the bike under the shelter and continue from there on. It's time to drain all the fluids. We started with the engine oil, coolant, gearbox oil and final drive oil. Up until this point, everything was coming very easily. Those are the first stubborn bolts that unfortunately we couldn't save and we had to cut them off. We first of all wanted to drill them out, but that didn't work, as you can see. So we decided we're gonna cut them off, and then we're gonna probably use a welder to weld the nut on top of them and unscrew them, because we're gonna need those mounting points.
That's it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. In the next one, we're gonna clean the engine and prepare it for painting. Some parts are already on the way, so we'll keep you updated, and see you in the next one.